Hello, it's like here to show you the Dora the Explorer and the forest dream favorites coloring here. As you see that I went ahead and colored this like the forest. See right here so far as forest dream favorites is that you get the tree house right here, and with the tree houses you have is the green leaves, and then along with the other forest plants. So he's got the the branches of the tree, and then along right here is you got the swing. It's like you got the tire swing right here, and along with the detour car. It's like for Dora the Explorer to be going on a detour through the forest. But you have the detour car, and then along with you got Boots, and along with the butterfly ride. And so far with the butterfly ride is that Boots will be riding on the butterfly, to go on the different parts of the forest. But you have it to where you got the leaves right here, and then you got the forest, and then all right here is you got the caterpillar. And with the caterpillar, it's like so far as if you were to write a story or what you call a riddle or something like that about a dream, so far as going someplace. It's like it could be say a verb, so far as a person, place, or thing. But and then you got with the poem. But you got the sunset right there, so far as the forest sunset, and then right here you also have is the moon and the star and the moon. But so far as with Dora the Explorer, and then along with you got that backpack as well. Yeah, you got backpack for any traveling gear, so far as a bottle of water, or maybe some candy bars or something like that. So far as Dora the Explorer, they say you have it to where Boots taking a detour through the forest, but have it to where is that if you were to write a poem, is it start out as like a story. It's like kind of for ABC order. Is that you have it to where start out with the story. Is that if you were to go out, it's like in the forest and then discover something. It's like you can go outside, and then we'll go outside things to go and see what we can find today. But so far as is for the forest dream favorites is that the first part of the story could be about say wonder. It's like you got see here we got wonder, and then along with and then maybe research. See, you got the research right here, and then along right there, and then you also could have so far as writing a story about the different things that you would find maybe outside, and let's say is the outdoor nature is like other than your discovery. But so far as is for the dream favorites is that is like you would write another page. You write a page or of like a story or whatever it is about what you would like to do. It's like so far as going out to the forest and maybe building a tree house, which I never had a tree house, but to build a tree house and in a place where you can hang out, in high grounds, and it's like to be around a forest or something like that, where you be around different animals and creatures and stuff like that. But so far as like with the forest is that as we all know is that which what I heard is that with this like they got the rainforest that produces at least 90%, like the Amazon rainforest that produces about 90% of our oxygen, of the planet's oxygen. That you had a certain number of trees, and a lot of times it's like if you were to go out and look at the tree, at the bark, as that a lot of times is that that they build houses and then we make paper out of them. It's like you got the you make a number of sheets of paper out of them. But one thing is that we make sheets of paper out of them, and then the sheets and paper that we don't want anymore, the more like we toss them, or maybe we may say you burn them or whatever you call it. But so far as for the dream favorites, is that something to look at something like a leaf. Is that if you were to take a sheet of paper and then maybe use say it's like stencil type art. It's like you use a stencil type art along with you get the star right here for for the shape. You get the shape, and then along with the square you use like stencil type art for any type of construction paper. And along with that is, and then you also have it to where if you want to maybe don't make them too much, but if you want to make like a paper airplane or something like that would whiz on by, and then after that, and then it could be see here it's like a measuring stick. Get the measuring stick where you can measure the different sizes and stuff, but it'd be like a leaf that with the leaf that has different colors. It's like pretty much with the leaf that you have it to where that the leaf, you look at the leaf, and then a lot of times is that if you were to change color, or if it were to have a darker color on one side than the other, then a lot of times like goes from like the seasons, or just the kind of the name of the plant from the leaf to where it's growing on. But so far as for the forest favorites, is you had the tree house, and along with it's like the discovery of how tall the tree gets, and then along with the recycling, and along with the detour card to discover the wildlife. And so far as boots, is to discover just like the wildlife about how the butterfly is formed. It's like goes in the cocoon, and then turns. It's like it turns into butter, but then it turns makes him grow wings, and he's able to fly. But so far, and along with you get the forest scene right there. But so far with Dora the Explorer, and along with this, like you get the tree house, and along with it's like the creative craft ideas of you got the ABC order, and so far with Dora the Explorer, and the forest dream favorites, and so far with Dora the Explorer, and along with backpack and Dora the Explorer, and forest dream favorites coloring.